The Webex app just got infinitely more powerful, and staying connected from wherever you get work done has never been easier. The app has everything at your fingertips so you and your team can work better together. Mobile, tablet, laptop, desktop. We've got you covered. Everything all in one place. The Webex app is a centralized work hub that keeps all your messages, shared files and meeting artifacts in a single location. You can jump from a message, to a call, to a meeting, to a group whiteboard, all with the click of a button. Bring everything you use daily into one place with embedded third-party apps. The Webex app helps you tackle any obstacles on the way. Take your meetings with you with QR codes and CarPlay integration. Collaborate in real time from the field back to the office with mobile camera share. Break down barriers with real-time translation. Use custom dictionary to accurately capture every word spoken in a meeting. And optimize your work-life balance with private insights into time spent in meetings. All features in one app.